Alright, thank you. What's that?
How is it floating?
I'm secretly Magneto from X-Men. Alright, thank you.
Oh my God!
Alright, when I was 11 years old, I got a letter from Hogwarts.
Are you serious?
I'm being dead serious.
Look, he's even, oh my God, he even drinks it out of...
Is it cool if I get a extra straw for my cup, please? What's up?
Holy crap, what? Wait, oh my gosh. How are you doing that? How do you do that?
Yo! What the heck, yo? How's you doing?
I just want a straw. No, I just need I need a straw for my cup.
What? Oh, that's crazy. Stick my hand in the car.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
What's up?
Are you serious? How did you do?
I'm using Voodoo. Here's my Voodoo doll.
Wow.
Yeah. Is it cool if I get an extra straw for my cup, please?
What?
What's up?
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
What? What?
What?
What?
This cup is dangling!
What? How do you be doing that? No, come here.
Oh my God!
Come here. Oh my God. Look at his cup.
This cup is dangling!
No, really, how is it hanging?
I got a invisible midget friend actually holding my cup right now.
How do you do that? Are you video camera us? That is awesome.
You guys,
No. Yeah, look, it's just floating. Okay, get your...
did you guys put helium in here?
No. How's it hang? How you do it?
Alright, I'm just messing with you.
Is it strangling for him?
No, this is real.